In this example, we want to solve a right triangle where we're given one side and one angle. And technically, we actually have two angles because it's a right triangle. So let's do some labeling here. We'll label this angle A, this angle B, and this angle C. The sides opposite those angles will be lowercase. This will be lowercase c. 637 in this case will be labeled lowercase b, and our job is to find lowercase a here in a moment. All right, let's start with the angles. Because we're given 2 out of 3, let's find the third angle. In this case, we're looking for angle A. In order to calculate angle A, we're going to take 90 degrees minus 42.3 degrees. Again, knowing that all three angles have to add up to 180. So angle A, for our purposes, will come out to be 47.7 degrees. Now we need to focus our attention on the two missing sides, side A and side C. And it really doesn't matter which side we start with. Let's just focus on side A rather. Now, what trig function involves angle B, side B, and side A? Well, in this case, B is opposite of angle B, and A is adjacent to angle B. So this tells us we want to use the tangent. So we'll take the tangent of 42.3 degrees. The tangent we know to be equal to the opposite side, 637, divided by the adjacent, which is A. Now, if we cross multiply and solve for A, we come up with A is being equal to the value 637 divided by the tangent of 42.3 degrees. So if we put that into our calculator, we will then come up with a value of 701. Now, since we've come up with our second of three sides, we can use Pythagorean's theorem to come up with side C. But let's do this involving trig. All right, let's slide this up just a little bit and ask ourselves the question on our triangle here. We're trying to find side C. We have to ask the question, how does side C relate to side B and angle B? Well, in this case, we can say B is opposite angle B, and C is the hypotenuse. So that tells us we want to use the sine. We'll then take the sine of 42.3 degrees. That is equal to the opposite, which is 637 rather, all over C. Now, if we cross multiply and solve for C, and you can do this on your own, we will come up with a C value of 946.5. And once again, that is the length of our hypotenuse rounded off to the nearest tenth of a unit.